If you open Canva and think, I know how to use this, but what should I actually make? This video is for you. I'm sharing simple, practical Canva content ideas you can reuse again and again without needing new inspiration each week. I'm Kim from Morr Marketing, and let's go to my screen and I'll show you some ideas. I have a whole mix of ideas saved on this screen, which I'll go through with you. But let's start with idea 1, which is educational posts. These can include tips like this one, and these I use on Instagram stories. And I have this format that I just keep reusing. And I just fill in a new marketing idea or a new fast fix every week. The other thing you can use are how-to posts, and I'll show you one of these when I show you a carousel and answer frequently asked questions. And these are very easy to post. And you can see I'm just using background I found on Canva and then added a text box to it. Very simple. Educational content builds trust fast. You can use one idea and, as I said, produce multiple posts. Or have a series, which I'll also talk about later. A tip, a checklist, a mini how-to, and Canva templates make this easy to repeat. You can either keep them in your own brand as your brand templates, or you can just search under elements. There are Canva templates for every kind of post that you want to make, whether it's a reel, a video, an Instagram post, a Facebook post, or a LinkedIn post. So they make it easy to repeat. Idea 2 is to use quotes. You'll probably see a lot of these around. And this is one from Maya Angelou. Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. But they work even better when you put them in context. I posted this as the first post on an Instagram story, and then posted this one, adding a line explaining why it matters to you. So you can build a business that feels good and does good. Idea 3 is a Who I Help post. Every Friday on my Instagram stories, I put an end of the week challenge. And this one was to write one sentence that explains who you help and how. And then pin it somewhere visible. So I've done this as an Instagram post. It basically says what I do. I help coaches, therapists, and small business owners move from marketing overwhelm to calm clarity. Keep it a simple Canva graphic. I've chosen one to involve me, which should be most effective. A simple Canva graphic that says who you help and what problem you solve is massively underrated and incredibly powerful. Idea 4, before and after content. This is the template I used as an example for a previous video, which I can link to below, where I was showing how you can make it uniquely yours by adding your branding, color, and fonts. This was the before example, and this one was the after. And you can see how different they look, changing fonts and colors and the images. They don't have to be dramatic. It's being clear about what you're doing that counts. The one thing you need to be careful with is some of the rules on, for example, Meta, where you can't show before and after weight loss photos of other people. That breaks their posting rules. So you do need to be aware of that if you're in the weight loss arena. Idea 5 is carousels. And I'll scroll through this carousel so you can see it. I've animated the text so it comes up. And this I used to explain how you can use Canva to keep a consistent brand. It's educational, which ticks off the idea 1 box as well. Carousels perform well because they slow people down. Although I'm running this through as a video. Teach one idea per slide. Don't put too much on one page. Keep it simple and let Canva handle the layout. I use this layout consistently for all my Canva carousels. It reinforces my branding and my color, and that familiarity really helps people get to know you. Idea 6 is to use weekly or series-based content. Nearly every Friday, I post an end-of-the-week challenge. And this one is spend 10 minutes reviewing your Google business profile. That's educational, helpful, and a challenge. I've run these as little videos in the background. And here's another one. Respond to one comment, DM, or review today properly. This one is update one outdated link or bio this afternoon. And those are my challenge series of posts. Current content helps remove decision fatigue. If you're wondering what to post, what should I do? Having something like an end of the week challenge or something else that you do on a repetitive basis makes it so much easier. You can use one template that you've created or an existing Canva template, one theme, and you use it every week. My final idea is idea 7, which is repurposing content. Basically, you're using content that's been given to you or that you've created for something else and adapting it. One of the most powerful ones I think you can do is testimonials. Don't forget to ask your clients for testimonial, but then repurpose that into a post, because what other people say about you is more effective than what you say about yourself. I've used a couple of different designs for these. I call them client wins rather than testimonials. I'm going to show you another kind of repurposed content that you can use. And this was taken from a video that I did. And I've just created this into a video series of shorts. Adapting your videos into shorts can be very easy to do. There are lots of tools that can help you do it, such as Descript, which I'll put a link to below. It'll pull out some shorts for you. Or vidIQ also will create shorts from your videos. They do need some fiddling because you probably didn't record them in a vertical format. But on this one, I've done something simpler. I've just put a short video at the beginning, and then I've just recorded on my phone what I did in the longer video. Let's run this through so you can see. Canva Pro Beginners Day 5. Meet Canva's AI Design Assistant. It's a great little tool. You'll find where you see the Canvas C on the top information. And you just type in what you want it to do. You can see it can generate text, make an image, give me design advice, and I'm going to go give me design advice. Takes a while to think about it. It's not too long, but you do need to be a little patient. You can see it says it's finalizing it now. And here it comes up. The soft cream background and the purple line of text feel calm, but your title block is doing a lot of the visual lifting on its own. You make the rows slightly close to the headline area so it feels more connected instead of floating on its own. Pull the eye down a smoother path. Let's do that. Click on the rows. Make it a little smaller to balance it a bit more, I think. A little further in, and you can see the grid lines helping me line it up. And let's go back to the design assistant and say, any other suggestions? This is still in beta, so it's not perfect, but it does give you some good ideas. If you're a beginner, it's great. All recorded as a screen video on my phone. And then I just upload it into Canva and create a little video. And you can record yourself or something on your phone that you want to refer to. It's a very easy way to create content. I've used it for shorts and for reels on Instagram and Facebook. But you can also take your blog or your email and break that into bite-sized chunks of content that you can easily post using Canva. It's so much easier than starting from scratch. There are 7 ideas that you can use for content for your social media. You don't need more ideas. You just need fewer ideas and use them more consistently. I will now turn each of these ideas I've shown you into a daily video so you can see exactly how to use them. I hope that helps. And if you found this useful, please tick the box below and you'll be notified when I next record a video.